But what's it really like to have synesthesia? We asked 3 synesthetes to tell us about their experiences.
I have colors on letters. I see colors on weekdays, months, names have colors as well. When I think of events or something I have to remember, I place them in space.
So I see colors when I hear or see letters and numbers. I have sort of a spatial awareness of time. And then sometimes I also have a bit of color or sensation when I listen to music.
I can see colours in reactions to sound, but my main type is lexical gustatory synesthesia. These flavours, they're actually a full mouthfeel. None of these are in my mind's eye, even with my colours. Synesthetes tend to call it projected rather than associated.
When I read words, I don't see colors on the page. Some people might do, but I don't. It's somewhere inside the head, an area with a rainbowish color kind of feel.
I don't see anything out in the world with my eyes. I have sort of an inner movie theater. So sometimes I will actively use it to remember maybe names or numbers. For anatomy, I would use it sort of like if the anatomical words, if they were different from the others in the way I experienced it, then it would be easier for me to remember.
I have to remember when something happened. I usually will get a color feel as well. I haven't checked this, so I'm not sure, but I talked about 9/11 with my family recently. I think it was a Tuesday, because I get a yellow feel.
Most synesthetes will say that their synesthesia helps them with their memory processing and remembering things. I can walk around a street where I was as a child and I'll taste flavours of things, buildings that aren't there anymore. The downside of my synesthesia is that my brain thinks I'm constantly eating food, and that can lead to quite nasty stomach aches sometimes.
Mostly I enjoy my experience. I really enjoy certain letters. I don't always enjoy when I have synesthesia on music because it can really overstimulate my senses. It's too disorganized and chaotic and fireworks in my brain.
I definitely have numbers I like better. And usually I don't like even numbers. I like uneven numbers more.
Speaking about synesthesia, I think it's very important, and what it's taught me is that everybody is different. 10 people can look at an object and get 10 totally different perceptions from that. Everybody, although we occupy the same space, we're all different. We're all very, very different.